Hey guys, another video, short one today. Got some new hoses, some handles, gauges, an old bar I had that my boss threw away. Uh, these are the old gauges, they're all messed up. So I'm gonna do a little gauge rebuild. I'm have some time off today, so let's see how it goes. And here's the after. These are like plastic. I don't know what they are. I just tapped it in there, and the other one just broke. So I had an old one that's like a little bit stronger. So I just put it in there with the new screw. And we're ready for some refrigeration rock and roll. Thanks for watching.